Hello there, and welcome to The Risk for Terra, a channel dedicated to one thing above all else: weathering. In terms of models, I focus on sci-fi and World War II subjects, both for war games like Star Wars Legion or Bolt Action, and traditional scale models. Although the majority of my videos are weathering tutorials, I also review new hobby products and publications from time to time. At present, I have over 100 videos, most of them divided into playlists by genre or topic. So whether you're into wargames or scale models, if you want to up your weathering game and learn more about things like enamels, lacquer paints, chipping effects, rust streaks, and so on, you've come to the right place.